Okay, geometry, let's get started with this ACT warm-up. This is looking at midpoint here. It says in the standard XY coordinate plane, what is the midpoint of the line segment that has endpoints 3, 8, and 4, -1? Okay, so the only issue here, so maybe this is fresh because we remember the formula from last week, x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. However, you will not be able, there's no formula sheet on the ACT, you just have to have these memorized. So it's definitely in your best interest to go over some of these equations that you have learned over the years. So let's go ahead and do this. Basically, we're going to add up our x's. So we've got 3, 8, and 1, 4, -4, sorry. And so just label these out, x1, y1, x2, y2. Go ahead and go ahead and substitute these out. Oops. And we're going to get 3 plus 1 over 2 and -4 plus 8 over 2. We're going to get 3 plus 1 over 2. 3 plus 1 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. -4 plus 8 is 4, over 2 is 2. And there we go, there's the midpoint. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and erase this. What if you didn't remember the midpoint? Totally out of your mind, couldn't remember. Could we still figure this out? Well, if you didn't remember, you certainly could take the time to kind of just guesstimate here. All right, so if I make a little XY table here, here's my y-axis, here's my x-axis. Let's see, 3, 8. So I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to go up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, looks like that's one of the points. And over 1, down 4, 3, 4. That's right here. Okay, so we're talking about a straight line here. Ooh, hopefully I can get it straight on this thing. Okay, there we go. So which one of these is close to possible, right? So it's got to be somewhere in this general area, right? And the only option that's really even close to this area is option D there. So sometimes it's really helpful to draw a picture. You might not get the exact answer, but based on the choices that you have, you can make a pretty educated guess. All right.